Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident communicator. Don't let one missing word stop you. Hello everyone. As an English learner myself, I know how hard it can be to speak English with confidence. You want to sound fluent, but sometimes your mind freezes. You worry about grammar, you are thinking, and suddenly you stop speaking. I've been there too. And today, I'm going to share 9 powerful tips that help me finally speak English confidently. And listen, you'll want to stay until the end because tip number 9 is the one that completely changed the way I speak English. It might do the same for you. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Tip number 1, focus on communication, not perfect grammar. Fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's just about clear communication. Your goal is to make people understand you. If they understand your message, you've succeeded. Don't worry about small mistakes because even native speakers make them every day. When you focus on expressing your ideas, you'll sound more natural and confident. Remember, connection is more important than perfection. Connection is very important than perfection. Tip number 2, practice self-interruption. When you get stuck, don't freeze, just rephrase. You can say things like, let me put it in another way. What I mean is, because these phrases keep the conversation flowing and show the confidence you have. Speaking confidently doesn't mean never pausing. It means knowing how to keep going. Just how to keep going. Do this. Tip number 3, buy yourself time. Sometimes you need a moment to think, and that's totally okay. Use time buying phrases like, that's an interesting question. Let me think about that for a moment, please. From my perspective, these expressions give you time to organize your thoughts. They make you sound thoughtful and professional, not nervous. Tip number 4, use the clarification safety net. If you are not sure the other person understood you, check politely. You can say, does that make sense? Does that make sense? Am I explaining this clearly? And check it. These questions show confidence and care. They keep your conversation smooth and help you build trust. Remember, confident speakers make sure they're understood. Just that. Tip number 5, master the power of paraphrasing. If you forget a word, don't panic. Not panic. You can always explain it another way. And you can use. It's like, it's similar to the opposite would be just like that. And it's okay. Paraphrasing helps you continue speaking, even when you don't know the exact word. It actually shows advanced communication skills when you do that. Keep the conversation alive. Don't let one missing word stop you. No, never do that. Never do that. It's very important. Tip number 6, use cultural bridge phrases. Language and culture go together. When you want to explain something from your culture, you can say, in my culture, we do this differently. This might be a cultural perspective, but this turns differences into interesting conversations. It shows respect and confidence. People will love hearing your unique point of view. Tip number 7, see yourself as an expert in training. Instead of saying, I'm bad in English, never say that. You can say, I'm becoming an expert English speaker. Every mistake is a step forward. Every conversation is practice. You are improving every single day. When you see yourself as an expert in training, you stop judging yourself and start growing faster, very faster. Tip number 8, learn conversation recovery skills. Everyone makes mistakes, even me, even English speakers. The secret is how you recover. You can say, let me rephrase that. Actually, what I meant was, I think I say that wrong. Here is what I meant. These quick corrections show calmness and control. Real confidence means staying relaxed even when you make mistake. Stay relaxed. Relax. Step number 9, the last one. Focus on contribution, not perfection. Here it is, the tip that changed everything for me. Before you speak, ask yourself, how can I add something valuable to this conversation? Not how can I avoid mistakes. When you focus on contributing ideas, you stop worrying about yourself. You start connecting with others, your fear disappears, and your natural confidence shines through. You're not performing, you are communicating. You are not being tested, you are sharing value. That's what real fluency feels like. So, let's quickly review the 9 tips. The first one was focus on communication, not grammar, and practice self-interruption. Buy yourself time. Use clarification phrases. Paraphrase when needed. Bridge cultural differences. Think like an expert in training. Recover from mistakes. Focus on contribution, not perfection. If you start using these tips every day, your English confidence will grow fast. Remember, confidence doesn't come from speaking perfectly. It comes from being brave enough to speak at all. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident communicator. Keep learning, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.